Hi guys, I know it's been a while since you've seen me, but today I'm really excited because I'm gonna go to Target to pick up my Switch 2. I'm really excited. I have not pre-ordered it, so I'm just gonna walk to the store and pick it up, and hopefully I get it. Okay, let's see what happens. I'm getting pretty late now, so let's go.
All my friends know the low rider. The low rider.
Finally acquired the Switch 2. I'm here with my brother. How do you feel?
There have been more games on the release day.
I think there are like what, 2 games on release day? Like
I think
the Mario Kart World button and what?
it's just a single game.
Yeah, kind of weird, but yeah, it's okay. We move on with life.
Hey,
So here we have it, the Switch 2 in my hands. This feels so surreal, man. I'm just lost for words. I really am. It's June 5th too, so I got it on launch day, which is crazy. I did not pre-order the console, and I still got it. I managed to go to Target and then secure one for me, and the Mario Kart World Edition 2 as well, which is nice. Yeah, but I'm really excited. Look at this. Doesn't it look good? It looks too clean. The packaging, I love the packaging because of how compact it is. The packaging is really nice, I think. It is much smaller than the Switch OLED box, which is great, I think. I'm gonna just open it now. It is sealed. The box is sealed, which is good. So yeah, let me open it for the first time. Here we go. Oh my god. This feels so surreal. This actually feels so surreal. Oh my god. So we got a Joy-Con. We got the right Joy-Con right here. I can't exactly tell which color this is. I think this is an orangish red. I won't say this is red. But yeah. Oh my god, it feels so nice to hold it though. It is so good. Okay, so we got this, the right Joy-Con, and after that, the left Joy-Con. I'm gonna open it as well. It looks so clean. It's a little glittery as well. Look at it. Wait, it's glittery as well. Look at it. Kind of sparkly. You can see the Joy-Con, but it looks really good. I'm gonna put it aside, and after that, look at how massive the screen is. First of all, man, it is covering the whole box. Like the whole box is covered by the length of the tablet, which is crazy. I love this. Look at it. Look at how big it is. Like I think the tablet alone is the size of the Switch OLED, the old Switch OLED, which is amazing. I'm gonna open it for the first time as well. Look at it. Just look at it, man. Oh my god. Well, I'm holding it upside down. Look at it, man. It looks so amazing. It is magnetic, of course. Look at it. The Nintendo branding. We don't have a Nintendo branding here. Looks amazing still. After that, I'm just gonna move this aside as well for now. I'm gonna show you what comes with the box. We got this. I'm gonna open it first. Oh, we also have the Mario Kart World download code as well in here. I'm not gonna open it right now. I'm gonna open it when I insert or when I'm gonna download the game, which I'm not gonna right now. Yeah. Then we got the grip as well. The new grip. Oh my god, it is big. It is a huge ass grip. It is really huge. It looks good. After that, we have the dock. The dock as well is really big. Look at this. Oh my god, it is actually huge. Wait, I'm gonna open. Wait. Why is it so hard to take it out? It is really hard to take. Okay, I got it. Look at this. Look at the dock as well, man. Oh my god. It's really round. This dock is like really round. I mean, the Switch OLED dock was round from this part, but this is like really round. We connect the HDMI here, and we can open it from here, I think. There you go. You can connect the HDMI AC adapter, the HDMI cable, and the LAN cable. It's amazing. This looks really amazing. How do I like close this? Wait, I'm gonna close it. Yeah, amazing stuff. Then after that, we got the we got the AC adapter, and the brick as well. I'm not gonna open it. I don't need to open it, but yeah, this looks good. This looks really good. Yeah, I'm gonna put it aside again. Oops. How was it? Fitted here. Okay. So yeah, now for the big moment, I'm gonna open the Switch now. It feels so surreal, man. I don't know. These connect magnetically, right? So I'm gonna just. Oh my god, it feels so good. Wait, I'm gonna do it again. Oh, it's so satisfying. And it actually has a lever here, you know, which you can press to detach. You can then detach the Joy-Con. After that, we got the left Joy-Con. I'm gonna attach it as well. Look at this. Oh, it is huge. The tablet is huge. It is really huge. It is actually really huge. I'm gonna power it on. Look, you can see my face right now, I think. Can you see my face? Hi. The Nintendo Switch 2, baby. Oh, this feels surreal, man. This actually feels surreal. Okay, I have to do the whole setup, I guess. So as you can see, I have finally got it running. The one thing I hate about the Switch 2 is the UI. The UI is like really similar to the Switch 1. I mean, it's not a big difference because how much time do you spend on, you know, the home, the UI? But yeah, it's not that much of a concern to me, personally. But yeah, I mean, they should have given an option, you know, or they should have like at least done something to give the UI or the home screen a personality, but they didn't. Yeah. Also, what I love about the Switch is the fact that you can use the Joy-Con as a mouse. I'm going to demonstrate it real quick, but first I have to, you know, unbox the Joy-Con strap for it because I don't want to, you know, damage. I don't want to damage the railing or this part of the Switch. So I'm gonna unbox it first. So I'm gonna try to use it now. Damn, look at it, man. Oh my god, the fact that I can use I can use the mouse like this and the Joy-Con, you know, as well with the mouse. Oh, it changes everything. Just look at it. I'm gonna set it up first. I think I have to factory reset it again when I reach India again, and then after that I need to, you know, connect and transfer the system data of my Switch OLED to the Switch 2. Yeah, so I'm going to do that. I have to factory reset the whole console, I think, for that, because I don't think you can, you know, I can like transfer the data from the Switch 1 to the Switch 2 like this after setting up the console. I don't know why they have done this, but yeah, I mean, we move. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. I mean, I hope you enjoyed watching the unboxing of the Switch 2. Yeah, and I'm just gonna game on it. I'm really excited for this generation of Nintendo. Let's see what they do with it. I have really high hopes for them, you know, because of the graphical leap it is. This console is from the Switch 1. I'm really excited. Yeah, other than that, again, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'm gonna see you, I don't know when, but yeah, thank you for watching. Bye. Peace.